90s mix. These are all songs that the band I sing in, that we do these. I'm going to sit down under my new light. This is a song my friend Michelle used to sing at karaoke back like 15 years ago, before I was brave enough to try karaoke. So I always think of her when I do this one. Caught a light sneeze, caught a light breeze, caught a light wave, lightning seed. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Do 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 do. I need a big lawn from the girls' own building, tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it all. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. The spire is hard and my cells can't beat, and you still got that bell dragging your foot. Yes, I'm hiding it well, Sister Ernestine, but I still got that bell dragging my foot. Yes, building, tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it all. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. Right on time, you get closer and closer, call my name. There's no way in, use that name. Rent your wife and kids today. I said maybe she will. I said maybe she will. Caught a light sneeze, dreamed a little dream, made my own pretty hate machine. Boys on my left side, boys on my right side, boys in the middle, and you're not here. Boys in their dresses, and you're not here. I need a big lawn from the girls' lawn. I need a big lawn from the girls' lawn building, tumbling down. Didn't know our love was so small, couldn't stand it all. Mr. St. John, just bring your son. Okay, there was a little tiny little, I don't know, weird thing happened during the karaoke track. Hopefully it won't happen again. Sorry. I'm just going to carry on because I didn't mess up. Okay. More 90s hits. I tell you how I feel, but you don't care. I say tell me the truth, but you don't dare. You say love is a hell you cannot bear, and I say give me my back and then go there for all I care. I got my feet on the ground and I don't go to sleep to dream. You got your head in the clouds, you're not at all what you seem. This mind, this body, and this voice cannot be stifled by your deviant ways. So don't forget what I told you, don't come around, I got my own hell to raise. I have never been so insulted in all my life. I could swallow the seas to wash down all this pride. First you run like a fool just to be at my side, and now you run like a fool but you just run to hide, and I can't abide. I got my feet on the ground and I don't go to sleep to dream. You got your head in the clouds, you're not at all what you seem. This mind, this body, and this voice cannot be stifled by your deviant ways. So don't forget what I told you, don't come around, I got my own hell to raise. Don't make it a big deal, don't be so sensitive. We're not playing a game anymore, you don't have to be so defensive. Don't you plead me your case, don't bother to explain. Don't even show me your face, it's a crying shame. Just go back to the rock from under which you came. Take the sorrow you gave and all the stakes you claim. And don't forget the blame, I got my feet on the ground and I don't go to sleep to dream. You got your head in the clouds, you're not at all what you seem. This mind, this body, and this voice cannot be stifled by your deviant ways. So don't forget what I told you, don't come around, I got my own hell to raise. I got my feet on the ground and I don't go to sleep to dream. You got your head in the clouds, you're not at all what you seem. This mind, this body, and this voice cannot be stifled by your deviant ways. So don't forget what I told you, don't come around, I got my own hell to raise. Nice. 90s Fiona. I used to listen to that album a lot. And now I get to sing it with live musicians. That's pretty awesome. Okay, one more to round out our 90s female songs. Just stand a little closer. When I realized they had this in karaoke, it was really exciting because I always loved the song. I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been a temptress too long. me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be a woman. I just don't wanna be a woman. From this time unchanged, we're all looking at a different picture through this new frame of mind. 1,000 flowers could bloom. Move over and give us some room, yeah. Give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be a woman. I just don't wanna be a woman. So this is a song. I tell a story that this couple came up to me and told me that they were like making out for the first time. There was their first date, and during this song, when I sang it at karaoke, they started making out. A few weeks later, the same couple was back again at karaoke. They joked about having me sing at their wedding because I was part of their first date night. It's pretty good. Good story, huh? So don't you stop being a man. Just take a little look from our side when you can. So a little tenderness, no matter if you cry. Give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be a woman. I just don't wanna be a woman. Just don't wanna be a woman. This is the beginning of forever and ever. It's time to move over. So I wanna be. I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been a temptress too long. Just give me a reason to love you. We do it just the slightest bit different in the band, but someday I'm sure we're gonna play and maybe some of you can come. All right, I didn't have band practice this week, so it's kind of a little bit tribute. See you later.